Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my previous videos, for which I have provided the link in the I button in the top right corner, we already spoke about the export status of the BrahMos missile to Philippines. In this particular video, we would be discussing about the latest update on the same news. The Department of National Defense of Philippines has mentioned that the program to acquire the medium-range supersonic BrahMos cruise missile is progressing forward, but the challenge which they are facing right now is with the funds. To add more, Delphin mentioned that the procurement of this particular missile from India completely depends on the availability of funds, and this is going to be via the government-to-government procurement plan. Philippines have plans to acquire at least 2 batteries of the BrahMos cruise missile, with each battery having 3 mobile autonomous launchers with 2 or 3 missile tubes each. India and the Philippines have a defense relationship as part of the wider ties. While collaboration has been quite basic, focusing on interactions such as the naval ship visits and military training and education in areas such as the disaster relief and counter-terrorism, both the countries have attempted to boost ties in areas such as military equipment and maritime security. The BrahMos is expected to be a game changer for the Philippine Army, and it will strengthen its coastal security as well. The BrahMos missile is a medium-range ramjet supersonic cruise missile that can be launched from submarines, ships, aircraft or land. It is the fastest supersonic cruise missile in the world. The BrahMos missile, which was originally designed as an anti-ship missile, it also has a ground-launched variant that can be used to hit ships at sea or targets on the land. Coming to the other update on the same BrahMos missile, Indian Army on November 24, 2020 successfully test-fired the land attack version of the supersonic cruise missile BrahMos from the Andaman Nicobar Highlands, which hit the target with pinpoint accuracy. Defense sources said that the missile was fired from a mobile autonomous launcher deployed in full configuration at about 10 am against a target located in another island. All telemetry and tracking stations, including the naval ships near the terminal point, have confirmed the success of this particular trial by Indian Army. The missile, which was fired in top attack mode, hit the designated target, meeting all mission parameters. According to a defense official, the BrahMos trial was a highly complex mission as it had 3 waypoints unlike one in the earlier tests. The missile hit the target after making 3 curves at a speed of 1 km per second. So this missile proved its capability of escaping the advanced air defense interception as well. This missile has empowered all 3 wings of the Indian Armed Forces with impeccable land attack and anti-ship capability. With the successful test firing, the Indian Armed Forces are now capable of neutralizing the enemy targets in any complex conditions, and during this particular test, the missile performed high-level and extremely complex maneuvers, proving its prowess once again. The BrahMos is the only supersonic cruise missile possessing the advanced capability, providing an edge to the user with precise hit. The Indian Army is the first in the world to have a regiment of supersonic cruise missiles with advanced capabilities. Indian Army has already inducted both Block 1 and Block 2 versions of the missile after a series of successful test firing, proving the missile's maneuvering power, precision hitting of the target, and other operative capabilities. The land attack and air-launched variants have been deployed close to the line of actual control following the Chinese aggression. Along the line of actual control, Nirbhay missile will supplement the role played by the BrahMos missile for the Indian Armed Forces by delivering warheads farther than the range of BrahMos. As we all know, many trials of the Nirbhay missile happen to check its reliability as well. So that was a quick update on the latest news regarding the BrahMos missile. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.